What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a great morning. This is just the average guy, stock market, pre-market watch list. And every day I just break down the penny stocks that I'm watching for today. Mostly volatility movers. I look for the ones that are jumping in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. Share my screen. And I'm using TD Ameritrade for my charting. So the first one I'm gonna look at is TLGT. Right here, we're gonna mark out the high day. I like to get more of the fuller candles than the tippy toe up there. Since there was less stocks traded at that point, let's look at the 180-day real quick. I got big glare in my face. Hold on. There you go. All right, TLGT. It's looking all right. It's got some movement. Volumes a little there. Not in the 100,000 range yet, but still good. Still in a little bit of a trend upwards, just a little bit, not much. So we'll watch it. TLGT. Let's check out, see if it has any news. Daily biotech pulse. FDA nods for No, tells it up pre-bail on FDA nod for anti-inflammatory ointment. Okay. So some ointment is going up because of some ointment. So it's getting some buying action right now, actually. So that's good. Trying to go over to VWAP. It's my VWAP right here. How I keep it. So next one I'm gonna look at is ABIO. Not much volume yet. This one can't really watch this one actually. I'll just mark out a low point here. Check for volume on this one. IFON had a nice pop this morning. Ooh, look at that. That's a fat candle there. Good. But that's only 20,000 shares. So, not the best, but it's all right. And it's dropping down right now, so definitely room to curl up. I like that. AFON. We'll check for volume and a quick play to get in and out. Lately, that's how the stocks have been moving. If you've been watching, like APRI, APRI the other day, it just pumps up and down, in and out. Let me see. I don't think that's actually that's actually a trader right there. It's the other day, it's just going in and out. APR, just like ENPH, I think it was. Just has quick moves, real quick. If you play the morning bell. So next one I'm gonna look at on my list, ETSY. Had a nice jump up there. Is a little bit over my price range that I usually trade, but if I see an easy play, I will definitely take it. Has a good momentum going in, nice volume. Revenue seems like it's about to have earnings here. Transaction, let's see. Oh, no. But it's revenue growth outlook. Okay. We'll check here. See, it's making a nice little uptrend here. Look at that. It's following a nice curve. Not curve, but nice trend line right there. So we'll watch that ETSY for easy play. To go long, maybe it's a little overextended though, actually. So might want to look to go short on this one in the beginning. in the open. DEST is next. Not much volume as I like to see early in the morning, but we'll check it out when the market opens. Having this nice curl motion I like to see. Goes upwise. Let's check the news real quick, see if it has any news, material swings, profit versus year ago through sales drop. Just some little average news about the business. I like to see like eye-popping news and stuff like that. That way that's why I know people are really going to be paying attention to it, or they feel like, they got some attachment to the stock just because, oh, this company's doing such a great thing. But CTRV is the next one on my list. Okay, seems like it recently had a split. Pretty much is say if you had 100 shares of stock, they'll change that 100 shares to 20 shares of stock, but give you a higher price on those stocks. It's a little mathematical trick they use to keep from getting taken off the stock exchange. Look at that, it was trading at 24 cents a share, and anytime you're under $2, $1.50 for sure, you're under risk of getting kicked off the exchange. I think it's actually a dollar that they have to. It's the minimum, absolute minimum. But yeah, it's heading back down already, even after the reverse. Look at that straight downward motion, having a little sideways motion. Maybe expected to keep going down. Actually, look at that. Look at how the momentum's going lower high, lower high. Yeah, look at that. So it might be a nice short in the open. Sorry, having a lot of red though. We'll watch it. CTRV. We'll watch it for volume. And the last one on my list, NXTD. Knock it out right here. And like in this, could be forming a cup right here. Maybe, just maybe. Check it out, 180. Oh yeah, could. What's going on here? What's going on here? Had a big drop and then a big uprise. Pretty dang volatile. But it's not showing. Okay, I guess this is part of that whole motion here. See, if you look in different time frames, it kind of consolidates the bars together. Because it has to. It's within a day or something, like that. So you're seeing a big green bar here, but it's only 900 shares traded. And I don't know why the bar is so filled. It should be, two sticks on each end. Look at that, man. Wasn't that much traded, so that one's a little iffy. Let's check to see if it has news. No news. It's a blockchain stock. We'll watch it. It's a little iffy. Seems like it's on a little downtrend. On the downtrend recently, but starting to pick up momentum. Liking that. All right, you guys. Let's check out the overall market real quick. SPY. Look at that. It's trying to test it again. 1, 2. I'll call that a test. 3. That's definitely a test. And here comes the 4th test or a fallout. Who knows? But let me see. It's a little shaky. A little shaky for SPY. Keeps trying to retest this resistance point. Seems like it's just urgent to come out. Check the yearly real quick. Look at that. Yep, just like having resistance. Look at that. Look at this candle right here. Indecision. That's called an indecision candle or a doji. It's pretty much where the buying and selling pressure was pretty weak at the top, and there was more selling pressure than buying because the candle is red. There's more buying pressure here to get to this very tip top right here, and now it's declining. Now, how much it declines, from recent trends, it gets pretty fat, a pretty big sell-off. So, I mean, you could expect it to go. See, I already got the trend line going towards that way. But, I mean, it's been testing it. Might just be a little pullback this time. Just a little. Or it just might just keep bouncing a little smaller till it finally breaks through. So, always watch the overall market, see how it's going. Always don't try to pay too much attention to these indicators and all that. Try to just look at this price action, how it moves. Look at that. It's pretty much going sideways. Going sideways. Now it's going up. Now it's going down. That's how you can recognize the movement, the trend of the way the stock is moving. Just, that's just very, very basic right there, But, all right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get ready for market. I got 8 minutes left, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Oops, wrong one.